In this 12-part tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to log in to WordPress. Part 1. What is a website? Okay, so just kidding. Logging into WordPress is quick and easy, and I'll show you how to do that now. In the address bar, type in the URL where you have WordPress installed. For me, this is directly on my site at twt-wp.com. Now at the end of the URL, type in /wp-admin. This will redirect us to the login page for WordPress. If you notice the URL here, it has redirected us to /wp-login.php. You could also use this instead of the /wp-admin if you like. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset that with this lost your password link. If you don't know your password and you can't use this reset link for whatever reason, I'll have a tutorial on how to manually reset your admin password for WordPress. And once I've created that video, I'll link to it below. Once you log in, you should see the dashboard for WordPress, where the magic happens. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. To keep me motivated to make more free tutorials, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a friendly comment. And if you didn't like this video, no problem. Smash that dislike button, twice even, and let me know everything I did wrong in the comments. More tutorials with WordPress and other website tutorials, check out thewebsiteteacher.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.